What is up, guys? Mike Vaya here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and in today's video we're going to talk about how much does it cost to have a Clickfunnels account. We're going to break down the pricing and see which account you should get and what your business will benefit the most from. Alright, so if we move forward here, on the specific page, you're going to see two plans. These are the two plans that ClickFunnels actually offers. So they have the $97 per month plan and they have the $297 per month plan. Eventually, every business, in my opinion, should move over to this $297 plan. I am currently on the 97 plan, but as you can see, there's a limit of things that you can get with this plan. And just to kind of show you guys a little overview of that, if we go over to my account right here, as you can see this one right here, I get a limit of 100 pages. I have already used up 86, and that's because I've deleted a few just to actually have space to make a different funnel. I have 18 of 20 funnels, so I only have space for two more funnels. Again, I deleted some funnels in order to make some space, and I get a restriction of, this much contacts and this many visitors per month on my funnels. So eventually, as you're scaling your business or whatever you're using this for, eventually you want to be on the bigger plan. On this bigger plan, you get 70 funnels, you get 300 pages, unlimited leads, you get 20 custom domains, and these domains are critical, guys. They're critical because a lot of trust is in having a domain name. Um, like for example, I mean, for a domain name, for you to understand, if you're not familiar with it, which I'm pretty sure most of you are, clickfunnels.com, that's a domain, right? If you do not have a domain name, your page, your funnel will show up something like this, MV Holdings, because that's going to be my account. Clickfunnels.com dash, and it's going to give you some like coding, and that doesn't look professional, guys, and it disattracts a few people. So with a smaller account, you only get 3 custom domains opposed to the 20 that the enterprise actually gives you. um, we go through A/B split testing. All this stuff is provided by both, so we can skip through all this good stuff. And these two reds, priority support, you do not get on the smaller plan. I don't think that's really a big deal. I've had some issues with support and they've handled it. I might not be a priority for them, but they still take care of my situation within the next day. Priority template request. Not too familiar with what this is, but I haven't really had to use it. So in my opinion, it is best to start off with the starter plan. Now, $97 per month might seem a little hefty. So one thing for sure is that you do get a free trial. If you go to ClickFunnels on my link right here, you'll get a 14-day free trial to sign up. 14 days so you can actually, jump in there and get familiar with the software for free. No catch, no hidden fees, no none of that. You get on there for free. Now, the catch that ClickFunnels does do is if you do not cancel within the 14 days, they will charge you on that 15th day. So make sure to cancel if you do not wish to stick with them. But if for any sort of business that you have, ClickFunnels is very vital. It is revolutionary and it will help you scale your business. And my goal here is to kind of demonstrate that for you, and kind of make this pricing worthwhile for you. So $97 per month, right? Might look like a hefty price. Well, ClickFunnels itself has a very cool thing going on. They have an affiliate program. An affiliate is you pretty much partner with them and promote their products. So you can promote the software. So if you see here on your page, once you have one, everyone will have access to this. You'll have right here my affiliate earnings, my affiliate tools, and you click that, and it's going to take you to a page like this. So I promote ClickFunnels through a different account, but as you can see right here, I've made $100 with this specific account, um, and it's pending to get paid out to me. If you scroll down, so that's money that I've made through promoting the ClickFunnels software, right? There's all these things that you can actually promote through ClickFunnels to make your money back. Now, if you want your account to be free, the thing you're going to want to promote is ClickFunnels itself because they have a recurring plan. So if you see right here, if I click my affiliate tools, it'll take you to something like this. Welcome to the ClickFunnels affiliate program. They pay you 40% monthly recurring commissions. So if you want to break this down and we scroll lower, plus I have a little cool thing here. What's your dream car? For every 100 active, they'll cover you a lease of $500 a month. For 200 active members, $1,000 a month. That's pretty damn cool, right? So if we stick to this page right here, where is it at? Just want to get the financial sides of things. It's right here, commission breakdown. Okay, so the starter plan, the one you're getting yourself, if you get someone else to sign up, you will get 38.80. So we pull out the calculator here, right? 38.80. All you need to do is to get 3 other people to sign up to Clickfunnels, and your account will be free because you're gonna get that recurring commission each month, guys. And it's not that hard to promote this software when you yourself are a business, or you yourself are a marketer, whatever you're working on, and you have friends and you have people that are doing the same thing as you, or similar as you. Anyone can benefit from having ClickFunnels as a software, guys. I mean, this is the new go-to. There's sales funnels that help you convert your visitors into leads and customers. I mean, if you check this out, there's 93.8K users on here right now on ClickFunnels. It's changing each and every single day. So you can understand what a funnel is. You know, it's different from a website because it's pretty much a whole call to action where it's convincing the buyer to buy. It's not confusing them like a website does. A website goes through this whole process where it's like home, about us, contact us. This is straight direct leads, and you'll get their emails, and you can start um, sending them emails and start selling to them on a straight, follow-up sequence. um, it's pretty much any company can benefit from this. When you go to the sign up page, you can also even put what kind of business or service are you? Are you an agency? Do you have information products? Are you an e-commerce business? Are you a coach? Do you offer consulting? Are you in network marketing? And he specifically does this so they can give you a whole case study of this type of business model and how they implement ClickFunnels and how they benefit from that, because ClickFunnels can be used for anybody to scale. It's a crazy story in there. There's a guy who like made millions over a freaking hot dog stand, guys. It's just, that's how ridiculous it is. I mean, Russell Brunson himself, he started with a freaking potato gun. That tells you what the potential of this freaking software is. So pretty much, yeah, guys. I mean, $97 a month. Um, 3 people to sign up, and it's paid for with a little bit of profit in there for you. $297 a month. Let's say you get people on the basic plan, and you get, let's say, 6 people on there. No, you need more than that. You need 8 people then. 38, 80. You get 8 basic plans in there, and boom, your enterprise account is paid for. So you need 3 here or 8 here, and you're set. This will be free for you, and you'll be able to scale your business, get more leads, and yeah, I mean, ClickFunnels is the way to go. Um, Eventually, some of these people will want to upgrade to the enterprise, and then the craziest thing about that is, check this out, guys, $118 per month. If they upgrade to the enterprise per month, you're gonna get that per month. Now just imagine if you set your goal and try to actually win this dream car, and it's possible. It's very so possible. There's so many damn dream car winners. um, Not sure if I can go to it. Let's see if I can actually go to the link right now and show you guys. Let's try to go on there right now and show you guys the whole dream car winner. um, Go on this page right here, and you can actually see that these are the people who have won the dream car, who have won that bonus, who have over 100 affiliates signed up under them. I'm sure some of you guys are familiar with names like Grant Cardone. We got Sam Evans. Who else we got? We got a bunch of people. I saw Ty Lopez in here somewhere as well. Anthony Morrison right here. Ty Lopez. I mean, guys, it's very so possible to have people signed up under you where your account would be paid for and you make money from it. That's the cool thing, that you can actually make money from it. Let's shoot a freaking number, guys, just to get this in your mind. Let's just say every single person you signed up signed up to the enterprise and you signed up 100 people, you will be making $11,880 per month just by having someone signed up on this enterprise plan. That's crazy, guys. It's ridiculous the amount of money you can actually make from promoting an amazing software like Clickfunnels. So, there you go, guys. There you have it. This is pretty much the breakdown of the plans. This is what you get from them. You get, 20 funnels, 100 pages. As you can see in my account, I've used up most of them. And the software is very good. It's very beneficial for almost any kind of business that you yourself have. So, um, again, if you want to sign up to the free trial, I have the link down in the description below. And I wish you guys the best of luck and success in your business.